Ladies and gentlemen, a happy new year to all of you. We intend to revolutionize the way you interact with cars. For example, I've had some of my best conversations in a car, but so far, talking to a car tends to feel like this. We will change that today. This year, what happens in Las Vegas won't stay in Las Vegas. Before we come to that, let me give you some background on what's going on at our company right now. Since digitalization brings great benefits to them, we can make sure our products adapt to their requirements in every detail. We call this human-centered innovation. It's obvious that we couldn't possibly find the perfect algorithm to describe every Mercedes driver. Instead, we increasingly turn to deep learning and artificial intelligence. Our new Mercedes-Benz User Experience, in short, MBUX. This has nothing to do with incremental improvements we've gotten used to in regards to interaction with our cars. We consider this to be a revolution. To start, MBUX offers the best graphics and performance. We also gave MBUX various modes of intuitive control. One key element is the use of natural language. It allows for the best conversation you've ever had with a car. Simply say, "Hey Mercedes," and it will respond to you. Let's hear more from my colleagues who developed and created this unique experience.
We wanted to create a system that completely adapts to our customer needs. In fact, our new system is extremely easy to use, and it comes with a new level of great cloud connectivity. Our vehicles are now deeply integrated into the Internet of Things. In regards to MBUX advanced speech recognition, in combination together with the AI, this has been our top engineering goal for this MBUX. That's why you can expect that our speech recognition in this MBUX is at a level unmatched by even the most sophisticated systems available on the market. Until recently, you will use the commands such as check weather Las Vegas. No one speaks like that anymore. Our MBUX speech is very, very intuitive. You can simply ask, "Hey Mercedes, can I wear my flip-flops tomorrow?"
Tomorrow it will be mostly sunny in Las Vegas with a low of 46 and a high of 63 degrees.
Yeah, and then press again. So you have your previous destinations, but as you go back probably one more time, then swipe down one more time. So
We're calling this MBUX, which is our big new presentation here at the CES. It is a user experience that really changes the game in terms of how the driver or passenger interacts with the car on different levels.
are you one of the UX designers for this?
No, so what I worked on was the suggestion screen. So this is showing you information.
And there you see
we will see this very soon. Only in a couple of months we will launch this in the new generation A-Class. So it's a system that we have developed from the ground up, using touch, using natural language understanding, and of course beautiful aesthetics and graphics that really makes this the perfect way to interact with your car. Our S-Class just wrapped up its world tour right here in Las Vegas yesterday, and it gathered a great deal of experience. Have a look. Ladies and gentlemen, the S-Class Intelligent World Ride. The S-Class Intelligent World Ride has been really a great project for us. We took more or less a basic S-Class, but we let the system, the driver assistance system in that car, use its full potential and have gathered information over 5 continents, a lot of different traffic situations which can be unique to different countries, and that's going to be a foundation for us to further develop these assistance systems on the way to level 3 and ultimately level 4, level 5 systems.